In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for Claude AI. By the end, you'll have a new Claude AI account created and be ready to start using it in your browser. First, open your web browser and go to claude.ai. Wait for the home page to load. Next, click Sign Up or Get Started. You'll see options to create your account. Now choose how you want to register. You can select Continue with Google or choose Continue with Email if you prefer to use your email address. If you pick Continue with Google, click it, select your Google account, and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be brought back to Claude once Google confirms your sign-in. If you prefer email, continue with the next steps on the page. Enter your email address in the field provided and click Continue. Make sure you type it carefully to avoid typos. This tells Claude AI where to send your verification. Go to your email inbox and look for a message from Claude AI. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your address. If it includes a link, click the link to confirm. If it includes a one-time code, copy the code, return to the Claude.ai tab, paste it into the verification box, and submit. If you don't see the email within a minute, check your spam or junk folder. Verifying your email ensures your account is secure and that you'll receive important messages. Enter your phone number if required. If you see a phone number prompt, click the country code, type your number carefully, and continue. This step may appear for added security or account validation. If you're not prompted, you can proceed without it. Complete setup. On the setup screens, I'll confirm any basic details requested, review and accept the terms if shown, and finish the brief onboarding questions. This only takes a moment and helps tailor your experience. If there's a Save, Continue, or Finish button, click it to move forward. Start using Claude. When setup is complete, you'll land in the Claude AI interface. You can click New Chat, place your cursor in the message box, type your first prompt, and press Enter to send. You're now signed in and ready to use Claude AI. Your Claude AI sign-up is complete and everything is ready to go. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.